Hi, I am Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series video of electron devices and circuits, today's topic is BJT Signal Stage CA Amplifier, where the amplifier is an circuit which magnify the input signal, which strengthen the weakened signal, where the input is given to the amplifier, which output is as an amplified or magnified signal, where the characteristics are gain, input resistance, output resistance, bandwidth, where the branches of amplifiers are common emitter, common base, and common collector, which is in BJT mode, where input act as a base and output act as a collector, whereas in common base, emitter act as an input and collector act as an output. Common collector, base act as an input and emitter act as an output, where the common emitter BJT amplifier circuit diagram is given in this circuit. The coupling capacitor CS and CC is used to pass the AC input signals and blocks the DC voltage from the preceding circuits. This prevents DC in the circuitry on the left of the coupling capacitor from affecting the bias. The emitter bypass capacitor is used to bypass the RE and short circuits the AC signal through CB, since voltage gain decreases because of the presence of RE. Where the common emitter BJT amplifiers are, transistor is biased with a Q point near the middle of DC load line. When AC source is coupled to the base, this procedure fluctuations in the base current and hence in the collector current of the same shape and frequency. During the positive half cycle, base current increases, causing the collector current to increases. This produces a large voltage drop across the collector resistor. Therefore, the voltage output decreases and negative half cycle of output voltage is obtained. Conversely, on the negative half cycle of input voltages, less collector current flows and the voltage drop across the collector resistor decreases and hence collector voltage increases. We get the positive half cycle of output voltages. AC load line of common emitter. When considering the AC equivalent circuits, the output impedance becomes RC parallel to RL, which is less than RC plus RE. In the absence of AC signal, this load lines passes through Q point. Therefore, AC load line is a line of slope passing through Q point. Under this condition, Q point is not in the middle of the load line. Therefore, Q point is selected slightly upward, means slightly shifted to saturation side. Where the performance parameters of a CE BJT amplifiers are else given below, where the input impedance is denoted as Zn and output impedance is Z out, where Z1 R1 parallel to R2 and beta plus 1 equal to RE, wherein Z out RC parallel to R0. Performance parameters of a CE BJT amplifier is given in the circuit, whereas the base collector emitter points divides the circuit from the diode, and then in the resistor side beta plus 1 RE side and RA side. The swamped CE BJT amplifier is an amplifier that uses a partially bypassed emitter resistance to increase AC emitter resistance, also referred to a gain stabilizing amplifier. To make it stable, a resistor RE is inserted in series with the emitter, and therefore emitter is no longer AC grounded. Where to calculate voltage gain of an amplifier, we have to find out IB, IC and IE, whereas IB, IC, IE are base current, base collector and base emitter, emitter current, collector current and base current. The effects of loading is, the lower the load resistance is, the lower the voltage gain. Effect of loading, the lower the voltage current is also equal to the voltage gain assessment. Which of the following condition is true for cutoff mode? Which of the following is true for the cutoff region in an NPN transistor? Which of the following is true for a typical active region of an NPN transistor? For a PNP transistor in the active region, the value of VCE potential difference between the collector and the base is. Which of the following is true for a PNP transistor in active region? Which of the following is true for a PNP transistor in saturation region? The potential difference between the base and the collector VCB is a PNP transistor in saturation region is. Thank you.